Hi friends, welcome to Sri Innovates. Average a young adult spends 4 hours on his smartphone every day. Today phone become just like our body part. People get anxious and disturbed without their phone even for a few minutes. They are always seen phone in their hand. Be with phone in the morning, standing in between conversation, while exercise, before going to sleep at night. The list is endless. Phone were created to be used, but an average person pick up his phone 67 times in a day. Someone has very rightly said, technology is good servant but a bad master. Seriously ask yourself, are you a slave to your phone? In this video, I will share with you 4 practical steps to take charge of this situation. And on this, in a few days, you can get over this addiction and you will feel much better. Okay, I use my phone 4 hours in a day. What really is the problem with it? Let us see the data. I am sure it will be related to it. Large percentage of teenagers are getting 71% depressed, 93% anxiety issues. Even most of humans is getting serious neck pain, and also get people 86% have low presence of mind because of phone usage. So what is the solution? Shall we stop using the mobiles? Absolutely not. We just need to start using them in a little bit sensitive manner. And to make what happen, I want to share you 4 simple steps. Step 1. Find a replacement. The best way to get away from bad habit is to replace it with a good habit. Most of people use mobiles first thing in the morning. What that happening? It's simple, because you set alarm at morning and you turn off at morning, you see some notification, and then you end up 15 to 20 minutes on your phone. So trick is to replace your phone with time alarm clock, so that when you turn off of alarm or clock or watch, you will have no reason to check your phone. You will now able to use those 15 minutes enjoy, attend a tech free morning. You can also keep some really interesting books on your bedsides, so that you can read before going to sleep at night. Instead of using your phone, this will increase your sleep quality. And you just need to find new hobbies, so that you automatically lose your interest on your phone. Step 2. Create some friction. These are really cool ways to create friction. One simple way is to start using a grayscale on your phone whenever you don't want to distracted. See, we humans have extremely sensitive to colors. I want to tell my experience that when I turn off the color on my phone, keep gets will less interesting to use. Moreover, you should know that these big companies make apps very smart to use colors, so that more clickable. Every time you click on it, your brain produce feel good hormones. Same get addictive. Using grayscale in a phone, you will get less distracted. Then also you can keep a long password to unlock your phone. This will give your mind pushback when you just purposelessly trying to reach out for it. And also use social media app on your PC rather than cell phone. This is because your phone not always with you, so that you will use less on social media. You would also suggest that you keep your phone switched off when you are doing some really important work, so that it reminds you when you reached your phone when you switched off at first place. Step 3. Cut the callbacks. More the number of applications you will have, the more number of notifications you will get, and more options you will have to get distracted. So you need to cut the callbacks. First of all, turn off the notifications of most of your applications. Then you should also delete useless apps you have installed on your phone. This will help you structure your time accordingly to how you want to use apps, then how apps want you to use them. And you can also try to be without your phone at times, like when you are driving, during mealtime, when you go out to play, while buying groceries. Step 4. Remind yourself. You should tracking usage because what is tracked is easily managed. There are many apps available, for example, Movement for iOS and Quality Time for Android, which tell you how much time you spent on daily, how many times you have picked up phone, which application used for how long, more information like that. It will also motivate you. Many of times we will pick up your phone without reason. So friends, this is the information about phone addiction. May I hope this information help you something on it. Thank you. For more videos, please click on subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you.